For a medium-sized backpack under 35 bucks that holds a lot, including a 17-inch laptop, this one's pretty sweet. This is the Tocode laptop backpack. Tocode sponsored this video and sent us this backpack for review. This bag is currently available on Amazon for about $33, so it's a great budget option. One thing I really like about this bag is that you can use it for work or school or travel. So I've actually been using it for my job. I go back and forth to a lot of different locations, and I'm always driving and sometimes flying, and this has been really great. My favorite part about this bag is that you can actually put water bottles on both sides of it. There's a pocket here and on the other side as well. You could probably fit an umbrella in here too if you have one of the smaller ones. There's actually a place to plug in your power bank. I use this one with 10,000 milliamps from Anchor. I love this for when I'm traveling because my phone typically will die because I take too many pictures. But you basically stick this inside your backpack, run the cord through here, and you can charge your phone and put it in one of these pockets. So it's charging while you're traveling. My phone charger cord is really short, and this came with an extender cord for your power bank, which is really awesome. This is a USB cord to extend your USB reach, and this is an auxiliary cord to extend your headphones. There's actually a secret pocket back here. It's not a huge area, but this is probably where I would put a passport, my wallet, anything that I want to keep really, really close to me. There's no way someone could steal this from you while you're traveling because it's on your back. This strap here is so you can actually slide this on top of if you have a roller suitcase, you can slide this on top of it. This comes in handy when you're trying to juggle a bunch of bags and you don't know where you are and you're lost in an airport. One thing I really love about this is that the zipper pulls are pretty big, so it's easy to grab them. You're not trying to find these tiny little pulls. There's also a cover for the zipper, so it's supposed to protect it from rain. This material is water resistant, so I'm not as worried if it gets a little bit wet. I probably wouldn't take it into a rainstorm, but if I needed to walk through a little bit of rain, it would be okay. On the outside here, there's a little pocket, about the size of my hand. And here's where I'm keeping all of my stuff. So there's actually one big mesh zip pocket, as well as pen pockets, business card pockets. I have a little notebook in here. You can clip your keys or maybe your hand sanitizer to here. It's a pretty roomy little pocket, probably fit a few magazines or books in here as well. As far as the back straps, they're pretty comfortable, so it's a breathable mesh, so it's not gonna make you really sweaty. This is actually shaped this way for airflow, so you're getting a lot of air in here and your back's not really sweaty. There's a little hook here for your sunglasses, so you can slide these on through here and so you don't lose them. Put your keys here. One thing I don't like about this bag is this handle. It feels really cheap and it doesn't really match the rest of the bag. It seems a little too big and it's a little annoying on the back of my head when I'm walking with the backpack on. So let's go inside the main compartment. You've got even more zip pockets in here, so you can put pens, business cards, whatever you need. Inside the main compartment, there's a slot for a laptop up to 17 inches. This is a 15-inch MacBook Pro. There's also a slot for a smaller tablet or maybe one of those tiny laptops. I think you can fit a good amount of stuff in here, so I could use this for like a one-day business trip if I'm driving somewhere. If you're worried about someone stealing your stuff out of your backpack, these zippers are actually lockable, so that's the main compartment zipper and this compartment right here. This one's not lockable, but I wouldn't put anything valuable in here anyway. So this backpack actually only comes in this sort of slate gray color, which is really nice, professional looking if you're using it for work, but if you want it for more of a fun pattern, there are no other options. So I noticed on the older versions of this backpack, the inside was a light blue color. I think it would be a little easier to find cords and other gray things inside the backpack if the backpack interior was actually blue. So my usual travel backpack is actually the eBags Motherload. We have a video on that as well. But let's look at what they look like size-wise next to each other, because these are pretty big backpacks and can expand to be even bigger. I got the Tocode over here and the eBags Motherload Junior over here. This one's a little battered, as you can see. I've taken it on a few trips, and this one has actually just gone to work with me at this point, so it's a little bit less dirty. The eBags backpack has been a really great option, but it is closer to $100, whereas the Tocode is much less expensive and a great option for someone looking for a budget backpack. These are on the bigger side of backpacks. If you're looking for something a little bit smaller, you may want to consider this classic option. This is a JanSport backpack, you know, like the one you carried when you were in high school and middle school and elementary school. The Tocode backpack is much bigger. It'll hold a lot more stuff. If you don't need to hold as much stuff, I recommend getting a smaller backpack. If you're looking for a good budget backpack for work, travel, or school, this is a great option. I definitely recommend checking out the Tocode bag. We'll link it in the description below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and bag reviews.